When people talk about AI, the word algorithm gets thrown around like everyone automatically knows what it means. But most people don't, and that's completely normal. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible. An algorithm is just a set of instructions. Not fancy, not mysterious. It's the recipe a computer follows to get something done. Think of making a cup of tea. Boil water, add tea, wait, add milk. That's an algorithm, a clear sequence of steps that always produces the same result. Traditional algorithms work the same way. If X happens, do Y. If Y happens, do Z. Everything is predictable. Everything is rule-based. But here's where AI changes the game. Instead of following fixed rules, machine learning creates its own rules based on examples. You don't tell it how to do the job, you show it patterns, and it figures out the steps on its own. So the real difference is simple. Algorithms follow instructions. AI learns instructions. This is why AI can do things like recognize speech, translate languages, or spot fraud, because it isn't relying on one rigid recipe. It's learning from experience. Understanding algorithms gives you the foundation you need to understand everything that comes next in AI, including machine learning, neural networks, and systems like ChatGPT. In the next episode, we're going to look at something just as important, the fuel that makes all AI work, training data. AI Demystified. Understanding starts here.